Fall means pumpkin spice lattes for a lot of people. Well, what if we told you there's a healthier way to make some of those fall favorite treats without the extra calories? Here with us is personal trainer and weight loss coach Christine. Welcome, Christine.
Hi, thanks for having me.
So when we're thinking about fall, the whole pumpkin spice comes into play, but I know that a lot of us worry, like, is this too many calories? Is that not the healthiest thing to do? But you're saying there are some alternatives.
There are definitely some alternatives. If you're not worried, you should be worried.
Right? Don't overdo it.
Yeah, because there are, all these beverages that you can get pre-made oftentimes have lots of sugar and fat, which that adds up in calories. And if you're conscious about those things, we can make things that taste really good.
Really good. Okay.
And
I like
don't
it.
have as many calories.
Right.
And
We
as
don't
much
want
fat.
that guilt.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so we're going to start off. You have a few things, but first we're going to do a pumpkin spice latte.
Yes.
Which is tops on a lot of people's lists.
Yes, this is the big win for most people. So you ready to make this?
Sure, let's do it.
So I just want to show you guys how simple this is. So we're going to start with a little bit of pumpkin. So this is pumpkin puree. I got the organic, all that jazz.
Okay.
And you can I'm going to wing it. But
so this is just pure puree.
Yep, exactly. So this is a 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree. That was eyeballed, okay?
Okay.
We're going to do a scoop of vanilla protein. This is lean, which is one of my favorites. It tastes so good. Even my kid loves it.
Okay, that's
so that
important.
Goes in there.
Taste is so important.
Vanilla cake, can't go wrong.
Okay.
And then we're going to do a little bit of pumpkin spice. So it's a 1/2 teaspoon. I'm just going to, again, eyeball it for you.
And I think the key is, like, a lot of times people just want something what's quick and easy also.
Yeah, this is going to be so fast. You're going to be like, oh, that's it. And we're going to put so I'm using unsweetened almond milk, but you can use really any milk you want. Of course, a non-fat version is going to have less calories in it, so your choice. About a 1/2 cup. Again,
so why is this one not going to give us any guilt?
Okay, so we've got protein, first of all, which is going to fill you up. And you also have, it's going to have the taste of the traditional latte, but without the calories.
Okay, so that's where you don't have to feel guilty and you can drink it with ease.
Exactly. And if you're a coffee drinker like I am, you can totally add this to your morning espresso, or you don't have to make it iced either. You can do a warm version if you like. So it tastes really good. Oh my God, this one little
cube is not cooperating. All right, so are those all our ingredients?
That's it. So we're going to pop the top on here. We're going to blend real quick. It's going to be loud for a second.
So we could do one every morning if we want?
Mm-hmm. I'm actually going to give this a little shake real quick so that stuff doesn't totally every morning. Yes.
So this is our pumpkin spice latte, the healthy version.
You ready?
Thanks, Christine. Let's go.
Yeah, that should be good. You can do less or more. It's up to you how you like it blended. And then we're just going to pour it in here.
Oh, look at that. We have a fall themed cup.
Yeah.
Girls just want to have fun. I love it. Yes, we do want to have fun.
Yes, we do. Sometimes I make my husband drink out of this glass. He loves it.
So this is your pumpkin spice latte.
Uh-huh.
And you're telling me we're not going to taste the difference?
I don't think so. I think it's almost better, honestly. So you ready you want a little of this?
Yeah, we'll put a little bit of the whip.
I haven't used this one yet, so it might get funky. There we go.
Oh,
cute.
Look at that. That is great. Okay, so then there's a couple other drinks or items on the recipe list.
Yeah.
So talk about this detox.
So this is a pumpkin detox. So pumpkin actually has a lot of nutritional value. It's high in fiber. And this has a little bit more substance, a little more oomph to it.
Okay.
You could have this as a meal replacement. It has spinach in it. It has a 1/2 banana. It has our lean protein as well. And it tastes delicious. It looks a little less orange than this one does because of the spinach. And it's got a little vanilla and some cinnamon in it as well.
Okay, but we've got the detox. And then we have this one, which I love. It's called an apple pie. 60-second apple pie. How do you do that?
So whole apple actually in this one. So again, lots of nutrition, which is fantastic. And you've got a little bit of chia seed and your protein also. It's super simple, and you can put a little graham cracker in it or on the side.
So just a quick blend, and there you go, your apple pie. She's telling me that these taste great, but remember, they're also healthy and they're perfect for the fall season. Where can people go for more quick recipes and ideas?
So these are actually on my blog at ladyboss, CoachChristine.com, or you can find me on Instagram on the same handle.
Awesome. So out of the three of these, what's your favorite?
Ooh, I actually really like the Detox. I'm partial to the like fibery, healthy tasting ones. So.
And I love it. I did not know that pumpkin had these detox properties. That's awesome.
Yeah,
awesome.
It's actually a really nutritious option.
Okay, great. Thank you, Christine, for bringing us all this great information. I'm ready to jump into fall now.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.